Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. With the launch of the Note 20 series, they launched even this one, and also the Tab S7. The Tab S7 is slightly smaller at about 11 inches. This one has a bigger screen, that's a 12.4 inch screen, but this is the one that comes with a Super AMOLED screen, and it supports 120 Hz. And guys, I've already opened up the box, been testing it for a day or so wanted to give you my initial impressions also, so we'll do that in the later part of the video. I've repacked it so that you get an idea, and I also got the optional cover case with this one that actually makes it like laptop kind of a experience, so I'll also show you that. But first let's look at this one, and this is the bigger one, Tab S7 Plus. As I've told you, even we have the Tab S7, so it comes in this cover like this, and let me just take this out, and this reveals the tablet, and the new S Pen, the improved one with lower latency, is also there. I'll show you that later on. So here is the tablet that we get. Let me just keep this to the side, and here is the tablet, that massive 12.4 inch screen. And as I've told you, we also get the integrated S Pen, and this is the Bluetooth S Pen, has all the functionality and even some of the new gestures that we have found on the new Note 20 series. So we get that. I'll just keep that to the side for now. We just get some paperwork over here, and even a SIM ejector tool, because this Plus variant in India they are selling comes with actually 4G LTE. The regular S7 we get only in Wi-Fi variant also, but the S7 Plus variant is Wi-Fi plus 4G variant. We also get charging brick. The tablet actually supports 45 watt fast charging, but this is a regular charger that we are getting on this tablet. But guys, I have the 25 watt charger that we are generally getting with many of the new Samsung phones, and when I connected that, it said super fast charging, and we have the USB cable in there. So that's what we have in the box. So let me keep these things to the side, and as I've told you, we get the S Pen over here, and it actually, this area, it magnetically attaches and it actually charges also via this. So I'll just show you this later, but first let me just show you the physical overview of the tablet. And it's a big tablet. As you can see, the camera is over here, so it's nice. You hold the tablet like this, so while doing video conferencing, etc., this is how you load. So I feel the camera position here is a better one. And if we go at the top, you actually have two speakers. Actually, it has quad stereo speakers. Two are over here and the two are on this side, but if you look closely, here we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. Here if we go, we have the power on off button, volume rockers, another microphone, and here is your SIM combo tray that you're getting. And if I open it up, it also you can add micro SD card on this one, and as you can see, this area you can add your micro SD card, and the other area you can add your SIM card. So dual functionality you are having. So the storage is expandable. If I remember, up to 1 terabyte of SD cards it can support. So you have that, and again, it's metallic, guys. The finish is very good, and I like this color. It's the mystic black color that we have. And bottom again, the two speakers. I'll show you the speakers later on, and this is the Type-C port. And bottom, if you go over here, you have this this is for that magnetic keyboard that latches. I'll show you that later. So this is regarding the physical overview of this one. Let's just switch it on, and by the time it actually boots up, let me talk about the configuration. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is having a 12.4 inch WQXGA Plus Super AMOLED screen with 120 Hz display. It's powered by the new Snapdragon 865 Plus processor with the Adreno 650 GPU, making it one of the most powerful Android tablets. It also has a microSD card plus 4G LTE. It has the new S Pen with 9 milliseconds latency. Comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Moving to the camera, it's a dual rear-facing camera. 13 megapixel is the main, and we have a 5 megapixel that's ultra-wide. Front-facing camera is 8 megapixel. It also has quad stereo speakers and a 10,090 mAh battery. So guys, this is the tablet, and the first thing that strikes you is the size of this tablet. I believe this is the biggest tablet that Samsung has created. It's a 12.4 inch, as you can see, and because it's a Super AMOLED, I'm just not going to use the S Pen for now. As you can see, it's very fluid, and this actually, if we go to the settings, here this one actually, if you go to the display and motion smoothness, as you can see, it supports 120 Hertz in the full resolution. So that's actually nice. As you can see, I'm using it in 120. So what happens is all the motions that you're doing are actually way more smoother compared to 60 Hertz or whatever you're doing. As you can see, very smooth. So the screen is the thing, that Super AMOLED screen, that is like amazing on this one. Let me actually show you the speakers. Let's just go to this orientation, and let's just play something of my own video. For example, this laptop. Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the review for this Asus VivoBook Air. So as you can see guys, we have two speakers over here and two speakers over here. So regarding the speakers, I would say the speaker performance is very good, loud. In my usage, I never had to keep it more than 80%. It's actually really loud. Now the good thing is that this is powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus. So again, in processing also, we have ample processing. This is the best processor that you can get for Android as of now. So we are having that, no issues regarding that. Also coming to pre-installed apps, as you can see, I did install a lot of apps. These are the pre-installed apps. Netflix was pre-installed. Some of the Samsung stuff, of course, like this. And for S Pen, we have that. Google apps were pre-installed, and also this Microsoft Outlook and Office is also there on this one. Apart from that, I've also noticed that we have Clip Studio. This is actually for people who use a pen and do drawing. That can be used. We also have Note Shell for taking notes, and even Canva, and this is actually pre-installed and lifetime license, and I feel this is great for writing notes. Very fluid. Just notice that latency. What I'm writing, you can just notice on the screen. So this 9 ms of latency is very good, and I like this app a lot. You can change the pen style and all these things, so very good for note taking. And this is pre-installed, and again this is sensitive. Again, if you do lightly, it will come light. If you press more, thicker line, as you can see. And of course, if you don't want to use this, we also have the regular, this is the Samsung Notes app. And I was just playing around with this one, and here also I have to go to the edit here. As you can see, this is the S Pen. And here also it's pressure sensitive, as you can see. And notice the latency. The tip is following, and there's no delay. So this 9 milliseconds of latency is making a lot of, it feels very natural to write, I would say. So again, if you are a person who uses the S Pen a lot, you'll really appreciate this. And regarding the tablet experience, as I've told you, it's a very good experience that I was having. And again, for consuming multimedia, I would say I can't show you copyrighted content. For example, I even watched some Netflix videos, and the performance was actually very good, because the movies have that dark scenes and stuff. Because it's a Super AMOLED screen, the experience was very enjoyable. So again, not only for note taking and all this like productivity tasks, but even for entertainment, I feel it's actually very good, because the speakers are also very loud on this one. Again, Samsung also sells this. This is the keyboard cover that we get. This is separate accessories, guys. And I also tested this one. This comes in two parts. As you can see, the keyboard, I actually like the keyboard. Now the trackpad is significantly bigger, and even these keys have a good amount of travel. To give you an idea, I like that it's in two different parts. Here, this one is magnetic, this entire, so you just slap it like this, and it attaches. And the thing is that now you have a kickstand, so you can just use it like this. And they have even provided a space for the S Pen, so you can just put your S Pen back here and close it, so it's there. And as you can see, now it acts like kickstand. Let's say you just wanted to watch some movies or do something like this, you can use it in this orientation. But let's say you want to do something productive, work on Excel or something like that, you can attach this and invoke actually Dex. Let's start Dex, and this gives you a sort of a laptop kind of an experience, I could say. As you can see, tries to mimic that. And again, let me just invoke some of the apps over here. Let's run the browser. Let's Chrome browser and all these things. You can maximize it. And again, if you notice, I'm just showing you the trackpad and some of the functionality. Use this 2-finger scroll to do, and again, you can even use the 3 fingers to move between the apps. As you can see, I'm just going to maximize this. As you can see, I'm just the recent apps that we were using. So you can move between them. And let's say you want to go to home, just use the 3-finger. And this is the recent task, and if you just go down, it goes back to the home, as you can see. So again, the trackpad functionality is also very good on this one. Obviously, you can use the screen also when it's attached, but again, when you're doing something, let's say writing documents or doing Excel work, I feel this keyboard works very well. And again, let's say you want to just remove the keyboard and use it in normal, just exit the desk, and you can use it in the normal mode. It also has cameras at the back, 2 cameras, and again, the primary is actually 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel is the wide. I'll just show you some of the samples with the rear facing camera. Generally, we don't use the rear facing camera on the tablets. The front facing is actually the 8 megapixel, and here is a small video that I shot. So guys, recording the video, and this is typical for video conferencing that I'm doing. You guys let me know what do you feel about the video quality. Again, in my office only, as you can see, audio is also being recorded via its internal microphone. So guys, certainly a very good Android tablet, and also I like the build on this one. And I would say the cherry on cake for me was the screen on this one, that Super AMOLED screen with that 120 hertz. When I was watching videos and other stuff, this because of the Super AMOLED screen, the images and everything looks super impressive, and I'm happy that they are going with that 120 hertz screen on this one. Also because of the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, it's a very powerful processor, and I like the new S Pen, that 9 millisecond latency while just writing and everything. It looks way more natural on this. So certainly one of the best Android tablets that you can get, and if you are in the market for a premium high-end Android tablet, you can certainly have a look at this one. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.